Imagine lifting several tons of timber or steel and suddenly losing hydraulic pressure. In forestry and crane operations, even a small hydraulic failure can lead to dangerous load drops, costly damage, and serious safety risks. That's why counterbalance valves are essential. A counterbalance valve is a hydraulic safety valve designed to hold heavy loads securely. It prevents cylinders from moving unexpectedly by locking hydraulic pressure until the operator commands movement. Even if hydraulic pressure is interrupted, the valve helps keep the load safely in position. In forestry equipment, operators work on rough and uneven terrain while handling constantly changing loads. Counterbalance valves keep crane booms stable, prevent drifting, and provide smooth, controlled lowering, even when carrying heavy logs. This improves both safety and machine control. Crane equipment faces similar challenges. Suspended loads, wind forces, and sudden pressure changes can all affect stability. Counterbalance valves prevent uncontrolled boom movement, reduce load bouncing, and ensure precise lowering for safer lifting operations. At HFD Hydraulic, every counterbalance valve is designed for demanding hydraulic applications. Our valves deliver reliable load holding, smooth motion control, and dependable performance in harsh working environments. Whether it's forestry machinery, cranes, aerial work platforms, or other mobile equipment, HFD provides hydraulic solutions you can trust.